Hello viewers, here is something I thought I would never see again. This is a Lakewood personal box fan, Model 10 PBX. I first saw one of these, and that was also the last time I ever saw one of these, at a vacation house that we used to go to years ago. This is probably going back eight or so years ago. And this vacation house had two fans in it. This was one of them, the Lakewood 10 PBX, and they also had a 9-inch Galaxy oscillating fan. Now there's some comedy in the Lasco, or the Galaxy oscillating fan, because since we went, I have found all of them. I found the dark brown clear translucent blade one. I found the rare blue one. I found the standard translucent brown clear one. I found the gray one, but I have yet to find the cloudy brown one, which is what was at the house. But since those aren't that rare, I have not been aggressively trying to obtain one. They show up on eBay all the time, but they're too expensive. This one I got from the eBay, and I paid $40 for it, which was outrageous. But at least the shipping was free, and here it is after all these years. I really don't look on the eBay anymore. The last time I bought anything on the eBay was when I bought the Lakewood HV fans, the 21 and the 18, and perhaps the 12 I got on there as well. But I spent a fair bit of money buying those because that was something I've been looking for many years, and those are getting very hard to find. So I figured I better get those before they become too hard to find. And after that, I kind of said that's it with eBay for a while because it was too expensive. And so the other day, last week or something, I went onto the eBay for whatever reason, and I typed in Lakewood fans. And sure enough, this shows up. A Lakewood 10 PBX, new in the box. So, let's get this opened and see what we have here. I don't know what the box looks like. Well, actually, I do know what it looks like because I saw the picture of it. I forgot what it looks like. This may be the only box on the YouTube. I believe there's only one other video of this fan besides the one that I recorded at the house of this fan. And so this is very rare. Anyways, okay, here it is. Trying to take it out of the box. Wow, I can't believe I finally have one. Here it is. The Lakewood Personal Box fan, Model 10 PBX. This fan has so many good summer memories in it. Never even been opened. I always get torn about opening non-open things because this is probably the only one left in existence that's not opened. But at the same time, you really can't enjoy it if it's not open. So I'm going to go ahead and open it. I'm going to open it very carefully. I'm even going to use the better knife so that nothing gets damaged. So much for this knife being better, it's like falling apart. Okay. So this is now open. And let's see what we have. I'm going to break this box. This is not bending very well. Okay. I'm not going to open any more than that. Here's the instructions. Permanently lubricated bearings. Okay. Okay. I don't see a date code on here, but this has the older Lakewood logo, so it probably is from like the early or mid 2000s perhaps. Oh jeez, how does this go back together? I don't want to jack this up either. Okay, there we go. Perhaps there'll be a date code on the fan itself. So this is what it looks like in the box. We got two pieces of cardboard here. Something just fell. Some thing. And here is the fan itself. Looks like the cord has already come undone. We do have a date code. Oh, it's much older than I thought. It's from 1997. Here it is. I can't believe I found one of these. There's that rattling sound. I remember making a noise just like that. Well, let's go ahead and plug this up. I'll plug the power bar in first. You have to plug it in first, but it would make sense. It's a nice shiny plug. It's kind of unusual to see one like that. Okay, it's been plugged in. The blade looks like it's in good condition. If I recall correctly, the one that was at that house, the blade was like warped. And we went to that house for several years, and then the owner sold it, so we couldn't rent it anymore. And that's why I thought I'd never see one of these fans again. I guess I should have included that piece of information earlier. Anyways, whatever. Turn it on to speed 1. Seems to work. Lower the camera. Well, this certainly runs a lot better than the one that was at that house. Although it still doesn't really move much air. I think this is one of those things that was just never really meant to be that good of a product. Unless one is high, perhaps that's the case. Yeah, it just really doesn't move a lot of air. Okay, so that was high, and this is low. Gotta be careful with these. These are a commodity now because of the coronavirus. I don't understand why people are buying so much toilet paper. Toilet paper doesn't help you not get the virus. Okay. Yeah, it's really not moving my chair at all, but that's okay. Make sure this is low enough so you can see the spin down time. And we'll cut it off. Looks like the spin down time is going to be good. It says super motor on there. I'm not sure who would have made that motor. There's the informations. Alright, well that's about all there is to show here with this. A Lakewood personal box fan, Model 10 PBX. Thank you for watching.